Now please help me welcome on stage Dr. Kumar Singh, Founder Principal, Brookfield International School, Chandigarh. Jai sir, over to you.
Awesome morning to one and all present here. And I would like to say thank you to Manmeet Khurana ji. He is a good friend of mine, and Dr. Shashi, both of them. And I know why he is so good, Manmeet, because he is having in his school, there is an Meerut KL International School, more than 6,500 students, and I think every year, maybe from grade 10 or 12, one student is there in top 10 in India. So please give them a big round of applause. The person who is having complete academic background and having this company Times to Go. So thank you very much for inviting me. I'm not going to talk too much because, I have studied in a very remote places and my subject was geography. Every time I was facing problem when I was teaching, sir, you are telling this revolution, now this is near, how come the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn near and all? Because that was a 2D diagram, we can do it. When I have become a principal, then there was a 3D and all. And today, I think I'm going to share about technology. Being a principal today, when you will leave this place, so you will be equal to 10 people, because I'm going to talk to you regarding the IT. And thanks to this man who is there in a blue, he was HOD in 2000 when I was there in Assam Valley. So I met him first time and I hate the computer because I was not knowing. So working in Assam Valley means we have to do everything on computer. We have fantastic lab in 2000 with the 𝗖cie. 𝗖cie, it means the industry people, they were having 𝗖cie because there was no internet connection. So I have asked him how to open it and how to do that. And because of him, I'm very good in computer because he never taught me. You see, he said only one thing, do it yourself. Still I know, after 23 years, we are in touch. So we'll talk about the internet, we'll talk about the latest trend is there, and you have to upgrade yourself. I know that change is very difficult for everyone, but all principals, those who are sitting here, they are ready to change because most of them I have seen from blackboard to all 3D in the classroom and in the schools. You are dealing with all the kids. We are their 1965 model, but we are dealing with the 2065 students, it's a 21st century or 22nd century, when slowly, most of the things, they are going to vanish. Only you will have this. From this, you can pay, you can read, you can convert, project, everything. I think TVs and other things, because most of the time I think we are using phone only, being a principal, any news, watch and all. Hardly I see myself at home that how much TV I'm watching, hardly I'm watching any TV. Most of the time we are using this. So we have to upgrade and we have to change. I won't take much time. And thank you once again, thank you to Mr. Manmeet ji and Dr. Ji. Thank you very much, all of you.